Look around you. Turn your eyes towards Mother Nature. The source of life keeps on giving. All you need is there. Gifts of nature nourish life. Solvent extraction is a widely used processing method in food, cosmetics, well-being, and pharmaceutical industries. It is a robust but slow process taking days or weeks, providing limited yield. NATINREC is a mobile factory for the recovery of natural ingredients. The core of the technology is the process of solvent extraction intensified by a high-power ultrasound. Ultrasound-assisted extraction is an advanced method capable of increasing the extraction yield and reducing the processing time from days to minutes. The application of ultrasound intensifies the mixing at micro level, thereby reducing the processing time of solvent extraction. Ultrasound-induced cavitation breaks the organic tissue, releasing more valuable ingredients. NATINREC technology is a full-cycle processing chain incorporating disintegration, mixing, extraction, and solid-liquid separation stages tuned to maximize yield. The recovery process occurs at low temperature and pressure, making it safe and preserving more thermolabile ingredients for your customers. All the equipment is made of food-grade materials compliant with EU regulations. The maintenance and cleaning procedures are simple and fast. We made the NATINREC technology versatile to meet customers' needs at low cost. Compatible with polar and non-polar, viscous and volatile solvents, NATINREC can process plant organics of various origin and structure, such as leaves, flesh, skin, roots, shells, seeds, and others. The mobility and modular design of the technology gives freedom and flexibility to your business. Healthy life brings joy to existence. Entrust your future to Mother Nature.